Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at 10 essential tools to use Cabinet Vision like a pro. And the first one we're going to look at is SketchUp. So we'll open SketchUp and have a look. This is a handle that I've done previously. SketchUp is a powerful 3D modeling tool that is used for visualizing designs out of Cabinet Vision, especially for presentations and client approvals. It is helpful for creating models and importing components into Cabinet Vision. And there is a free web version and there are also paid versions as well. And I'll provide a link in the description below. I'll give you a quick preview of how it is beneficial for Cabinet Vision and how you import SketchUp models into Cabinet Vision. So we'll go to the job there. I've just got a room there. Let's go Utilities. We go Import SketchUp Model. And it just brings up a list. There's just a generic one here. So you just go Open. You can, if Cabinet Vision doesn't like heaps of faces, so if you need, sometimes you need to dull them down in SketchUp before they come into Cabinet Vision. So here's what the model we've got here that we can import in. It's just a quick overview. The second tool we're going to look at is Adobe Acrobat Reader, which will open up now. This is a generic plan that I've just downloaded. So it's good for viewing plans and drawings from Cabinet Vision. It's helpful for reviewing and sharing exported reports with team members or clients. And you can also add digital comments. So if we click there, there's a text box and we can just add text to PDFs, so we could put comments like how we got this rollouts here. This is a free version that you can download, but there are also paid versions as well. I'll put a link in the description. The third tool we're going to look at is DWG TrueView. It's a free viewer from Autodesk for opening, viewing and plotting DWG and DXF files. It's helpful for checking Cabinet Vision exports before you open them in Cabinet Vision. So if a client sends a DXF, so you can view them without actually having to go into Cabinet Vision. As you can see here, we've got one that I've opened up. There's some other one. There's another one there, and there's another one there. It's very handy for viewing before you have to actually import them into Cabinet Vision. The next tool we're going to look at is software for the CNC machine. We use BC machines, so we've got a software called B Suite. I also have one called BC Works, which is for the older machines. It is a modern 3D CAM platform for newer BC machines. It's designed to handle complex machining tasks with more automation and visualization. What it's good for simulation. So if we click here, there's a simulation button. It's a good feature to detect potential errors before they happen on the shop floor. The next tool we're going to look at is Visual Studio Code. It's a versatile code editor used for editing scripts, macros, XML files, and custom automation tied to Cabinet Vision, like JavaScript UCSs. It's also good for tweaking report templates and post processes and custom scripts. It's 100% free to download and it's open source, so I'll put a link in the description. To debug a user created standard, in 2024 there's a debug user created standards thing up the top here. You click that and it opens up Visual Studio Code, and you can see we've got a JavaScript UCS, so you can debug JavaScript UCSs. It's quite easy since it's got the shortcut from Cabinet Vision here. The next tool we're going to look at is SQL Server Management Studio, what's short for SSMS. It is a powerful interface for managing Microsoft SQL Server databases, which Cabinet Vision uses to store project data, libraries and more. It's very helpful and it lets you directly access and query Cabinet Vision database. It's great for backups, data repair and reporting, and even advanced custom integrations. It is completely free from Microsoft, and I will post a link in the description. The next tool we're going to look at is Revo Uninstaller. What it does, it's a powerful tool for fully uninstalling software and removing leftover files, folders and registry entries that standard uninstallers miss. It's very helpful when Cabinet Vision has updates, so you can just uninstall it, reinstall it. If you use the advanced uninstall mode, you can scan for leftover registry entries and folders. You can remove that. This is a free version that you can download from RevoUninstaller.com. There also is a pro version that it has extra features. I'll post a link in the description. The next tool we're going to look at is GIMP. What it does, it is a free open source image editor used for creating, editing graphics, textures, logos and other visual elements. It is great for preparing images to port into CV for presentations, textures and renders. And it's also good for cleaning up drawings and scan sketches. You can also save textures in different formats for materials. I use the BMP format, and this is a completely free and open source program, and I'll put the link in the description below. The next tool we're going to look at is Notepad++. It is a free text editor that supports multiple programming language and file types with powerful features like syntax highlighting, search, replace and macros. Perfect for quick edits for Cabinet Vision UCSs, post-processes, scripts or reports. It is completely free and it is open source. I'll put a link in the description. The next tool we're going to look at is Vortex Spaces. It is a 3D rendering and design software used to create realistic interior visualizations and animations of cabinetry and room layout. It integrates seamlessly with Cabinet Vision as there is an export feature in Cabinet Vision. It allows you to create high quality photorealistic renders and images and walkthroughs for client presentations, and helps showcase designs will look in real life. You can also do like virtual tours of your designs. This is a paid software which you can get through Vortex Spaces, so I'll put a link in the description. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.